In this video, you will learn how to recover deleted calls and SMS history on Android phone. So the process is very simple. So first open Play Store in your mobile phone. Now go to search bar and type E2 PDF. Now install this application in your mobile phone. After installing, open this app. Tap on click to continue button. Now you want to recover deleted call history, to click on general call logs. Now create a name of your PDF file and click on export to PDF. Now wait some second. Now your call history is ready. Now go back. You want to recover deleted SMS, so click on SMS button to recover your deleted SMS. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.